Hi, today I'm making a peppermint chocolate marshmallow. I'm also creating a hot chocolate bar and giving you a hot chocolate recipe so that you can use these marshmallows in a creamy chocolate cup of just warm love. So we begin with a bag of marshmallows. I'm using white chocolate, and you can buy this in the grocery store, in the bars. I'm going to melt the chocolate in the microwave at 30 seconds at half power. You don't want to overcook the chocolate because it'll burn and it won't melt properly so that you can dip the marshmallows. Next, you'll have sugar on top, which is just crushed candy canes and sprinkles. I have some white sprinkles here to add to the marshmallows. So you're going to dip the marshmallow into white chocolate and then into the pile of crushed candy canes and sit them on parchment paper. So as you can see here, it's a pretty simple process. I'm just dipping in the chocolate, then in the candy cane sugar, and then sitting the marshmallows upright. So once you've done all of these, I think the little bar of chocolate that I showed you will make about 6 marshmallows. And once those have actually been, coated, you can put them in the freezer for about 5 minutes and they will kind of firm up and the chocolate will kind of dry. I'm also creating a hot chocolate bar. So you'll have mini marshmallows as well as chocolate chips, candy canes, and your favorite cocoa to add to this incredible cocoa bar that's a great way to use the recipe that I share, as well as spend time with your family, creating these delicious drinks and conversation and a good time. Enjoy the hot cocoa bar.